I just decided to go ahead and show you guys my skincare and makeup. I'm probably going to be going somewhere today, maybe out to the lake or something, just to see some water so that, you know, I can have fun. So as you guys can see, I have a burn on my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a star face on so I don't have to worry about it, because I don't really want to put on a lot of foundation. So this is probably going to be extra hard with my nails. Okay, perfect. I'm just going to take some toner and just put a little on my face, just so I can have a nice glow under my makeup. Okay, twist out, giving. I'm gonna take this is just a brow gel, and I'm just going to apply it. It just keeps my brows in place. And of course, blush. This is just the NYX Buttermilk blush, and it's like a kind of rosy kit for the springtime. It just makes me look like a cute little button. I'm not really sure if I have blush blindness, but let the girls do what they want. Let the girls do what they want. This is Milani Sunkissed liquid bronzing drops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that on my face, just to kind of give me more of a glow a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, and for lips, I'm just going to do the the e.l.f. lip oil in Hot as Fudge. Okay, that is the final look. Okay, and I think I'm gonna put on, okay, here is my bag. So I'm just gonna do a what's in my bag really quickly. First, wallet. Glasses case. Got hand sanitizer that's actually empty, and just throw that away. My journal, because I'm going to be journaling. And lip gloss. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to show you guys my latest crochet project. It's a granny square bag. It's actually not as big as I would have liked it to be, but it's super cute. I made it out of this purple yarn. Okay. Yeah, so cute. So I just wrote about poetry, actually. So lately I've been reading Mary Oliver. I don't know if you guys know her, but I'll link like a poem down from her. But I've been reading her poetry lately, and it's honestly just been so healing for me. I usually don't relate to poetry that well, but her poetry, it really does speak to me in a way, because it's like super, I don't know, relatable. It's super relatable. But there's this one poem that she had, and it's called Wild Peace, and I'll put it right here so you guys can see it, but it's super just amazing. It basically just talks about how you don't have to be good, how you don't have to be perfect all the time, and it really just spoke to me because I do have a lot of perfectionist tendencies, and I tend to let that stop me from doing a lot of things. I tend to let that stop me from trying a lot of things, from completing different things. And one of my goals last year was to teach myself a skill just so that I could, feel proud of myself. And one of those things that I decided to learn was crocheting, and it took me like a year to learn. It took me like a year, honestly, but I think that what helped me the most, honestly, is just letting go of perfectionism. And sorry guys, there's other people here too, but I definitely want to do the same thing with this YouTube channel. Like, I definitely just want to let go of perfectionism and just let go of just feeling like everything has to be a certain way. Like, I definitely want to make content that's just calming and nice and just fits my vibe, but I don't have to make it to where it's super wow. They just started playing music and now I'm gonna get copyrighted. Okay, and I have to go. But yeah, basically what I was saying, I just want to do that with this YouTube channel, just make it to where I'm not being perfectionist, I'm just being me. So here's to being us and Mary Oliver. Love you, girl. Alright guys, so I'm by the water again. I kind of came up here like beside these rocks a little bit, and it's so beautiful over here. I'm kind of on higher ground right now, like on the sidewalks.